Good morning, guys. How are ye this morning? I'm just after making myself a cup of coffee. I'm after editing a whole favorites video, so that should be up today. Let's let the light in. Oh god, that's bright. Hello. I'm in the middle of editing a vlog. I got my own work done and I am ahead of everything. Ahead of it all. I'm ahead of work, which is the best thing ever. Going to meet Jenna for lunch today. I haven't seen her in like 2.5 weeks, so I need to catch up with her. We need to catch up. So she was talking to me the other day and she was like, let's do lunch one of the days in the week, and I was like, well, Thursday's probably my easiest day, so we're gonna meet up for lunch today. I think we're going to Blanche, and then I need to go to the health food shop because I'm out of the Agnes Castus, so I need to pick up more of that supplement. And then I think that's everything that I need to catch us up on since last night. We were supposed to go to Zip It this weekend, which is like a zip lining place, myself, Patty and a group of our friends, but we are just gonna have like not a lazy weekend, but like a weekend off. I kind of need just like to do nothing this weekend, and even though I took last weekend off, but I had like a busy weekend. Like I was with Lisa and her boyfriend, and we had like drinks over here, and we had like a busy weekend. So this weekend I just kind of don't want to do anything, and other people are kind of like the same, so we're all on the same understanding. So instead we're going to pick up a few bits for Paddy's new car. I'm super excited to see it today. He's going to bring me for a drive later on. I'm going to put on a bit of makeup. Just want to wear some makeup today, and I'm just going to do like a really quick makeup look. It's the everyday makeup look, and I wore it yesterday as well, and I'll be posting it on my channel soon because I know an awful lot of people are asking what I'm wearing every day, and that's just what it is. I just decided I was going to have a shower, and I did, and I shaved my legs, and I'm after cutting the back of my knee and it's killing me. Oh my god, it's so painful. I'm such an idiot. Does anybody ever do that? Like, I've been shaving for years and still manage to nick myself every once in a while. It's killing me. But anyway, I'm just going to apply my moisturizer. I'm still using this Ren Global Protection Day Cream. I'm really liking it so far. I think it's amazing. It's really hydrating on my skin. I love the feel of it. Yeah, I'm going to keep trying it for the next little while and report back to you guys. It might be featured in the favorites if it's that good. So I'm all done, makeup on, and I'm just going to get dressed and go and meet Jenna right now. Also, I did post, that's what I've been actually doing for the last while, is I posted my new beauty video, and I was asked this in my last vlog, which went up yesterday, what lipstick that I'm wearing in the last few vlogs, so I'll show you that now. It is in my favorites video. I think my blush looks a bit extreme today. It is this lipstick here, and it's from Bare Minerals, and I've talked about it a few times on my channel, but just in case you're wondering, it's called Insight, or that's the shade. I love it, and I've been wearing it to death lately, but I know a lot of people have been asking about that lipstick, and that's what it is. It's in my favorites as well, just in case you're wondering. So now I'm gonna go and meet Jenna for lunch. I'm really hungry. I don't know what we're gonna have. I don't even know what I want, but I just know I want food. And I put lashes on because I just wanted to be a bit extra today. Obviously I put makeup on, that's extra enough. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I decided to wear this little like yellow top with flowers on it. That's from Bershka, that top, as far as, yeah, I'm nearly certain that's from Bershka. I'll try and find it and link it. These jeans are River Island, but they're last year's jeans. And then I'm wearing my new Supercourt Adidas runners. I bloody love these. They're so 80s. I'm obsessed with them. Like, actually legit obsessed with them. I am sweating today. It's a great thing to say that because it's super warm today, and I don't think that we've had nice weather in the longest time. So I'm so happy that the weather is actually nice for once. It's been wet, miserable, raining for the longest time ever. I'm just gonna put the aircon on this car. Oh my god, before I die of the heat. Such a lovely complaint to say that you're too hot, other than, oh, the rain, it's miserable. I was talking the other day, actually, I mentioned briefly in one of my vlogs a little thing about Boohoo and how I don't support them anymore. I actually have an affiliate link in my description box I must get rid of. Now, as far as I'm aware, Boohoo is associated or affiliated with a couple of other brands. Now, I don't want to say that for certain because I might not be correct in that information. I need to look into it. But a lot of people were really confused in my comment section. They're saying like, what are you talking about Boohoo and not supporting them, and what did they do? So I will leave an article down below. It's Sky News article from a proper resource. It's not just something that you've seen in like a gossip column or something, even though I don't read them, but you know what I mean. Sometimes you see things on Twitter and they might not necessarily have all the facts straight. What I did hear was, or what I can remember from the article, was that they were employing their staff way below the minimum wage, and I think the city was Leicester over in the UK where all this kind of came to light. And also they weren't abiding by any COVID restrictions, very low pay for their staff, really unethical, and it's just not, I just don't really want to be using the brand. Now I do know there are so many other fast fashion brands that are just the same, but I have to look into them as well, and it just kind of highlighted to me like about fast fashion and stuff, and like how bad it actually is. And I just need to try and do better, and like try and find different places that sell better quality clothes. I know River Island would be considered a fast fashion brand as well. However, I do find that when I purchase something from River Island and Zara, that their clothes that I will keep for years and years and years and rewear them season after season, and we wear them like every summer. I don't know like what, like obviously that's still not good. It's more so got to do with the way the clothes are made, the way the staff has been paid that work for these brands and stuff. But like I said, I need to look into all those things a bit more, constantly educating yourself all the time. Like it's important to try and do that. Boohoo is just like the first one that I'm just like not going to be buying from again. That's just my own opinion and just my own decision, and like I said, I have no judgment about anybody who buys from them. I don't really, you know, that's up to them, that person. The same way like anything that I do that maybe you're like, oh, I would never do that, that's like my own personal decision. And like I said, I'll link where I got this information from. I'm not just like randomly spouting it out. Hey guys, look who's with me. Couldn't vlog earlier on because we were wearing masks and you wouldn't be able to understand what the hell we were saying, but guess where we are? We are in the queue for McDonald's. I'm finally getting a wrap. We went shopping.
Well, I went shopping. Aisling bought one thing. Two things.
And then I rubbed all my makeup off underneath my mask.
I'm very excited to go home and look at my purchases now.
Tell everybody what you bought.
Take everything. Oh, I bought lots of stuff. Well, Aisling bra measured me before we left the house. It was an experience, so thank you for that. We got a new bra, but obviously with COVID, you can't try shit on, so we'll have to go home, try on the bra.
We're hoping,
new shorts.
We're hoping that it fits. I hope I did it right.
New shorts, new tops, jumper.
What else did you get? Oh, that jacket thing from Zara.
Yeah.
I bought it too. It was, oh, it's so nice.
We're gonna be twinning on the jackets now. It was good. It was on sale. It was a good jacket.
It was a good jacket. What was it? €50 down to 25.
Yeah, I think it was.
It was very good. Really, really good price. Look, I look like a sweaty Betty mess.
Look. See, colour's gonna go with everything.
It's good. Go with everything.
Ooh, it's in a bowl.
It's really nice. I'm very, very happy with it.
They didn't fold this before they put it in the bag.
They didn't.
I don't know if you can actually really see, but it's got, you know, that really nice sleeve, light material. It's got a pocket. Who doesn't love pockets? And a little tie thing, you know.
And I do like the sleeve, the rolly sleeve.
My favourite though.
Oh, this is very cute.
Even though it looks like pajamas. Like, bring out your inner child, people. Look!
It's so cute. I love it. It's Jumbo. So cute. And show the back.
And best part,
he's on the back
having a nap. Look at him. I think I might put this on as soon as I get home. That's how excited I am.
Oh no, I love it.
But it's actually quite a thick, heavy cotton.
It is kind of heavy.
So it'd be good for the winter. What
especially
else
here.
Oh, my nose is itchy.
I picked out a top. Hang on, I need
shorts. Kind of between sizes at the moment, and not being able to try anything on has been really fun.
It is very annoying.
So I got these mom shorts.
They're really nice.
I'm a dog mom and a hen mom. So
a hen mom.
So you can buy mom things. See? And then I forgot about this.
Oh, I like that top.
This Ash is kind of a bit worried about the shoulder pad situation, but
yeah,
I feel like it's okay
the 80s are back
in this top. It's got a shoulder pad here, but best part, the back.
Hang on, now I have to pay here.
Sweet chili wrap in your order?
Pardon?
Sweet chili wrap?
Yes.
Yeah.
14.60.
Perfect. I just pop it in.
Paying at McDonald's here. Ashton's card doesn't tap anymore. It just won't tap anymore because she's a spender, you know. So she's having to put her pin in all the time. She thinks she's annoying people, but
I am
she's not really. I'm sure lots of people have to do that.
Well, actually, I have a new one ordered from my bank.
Oh, we're moving again. Okay,
off we go. Next window. We're that closer to the wrap.
And you can't really see. There's a slit in the back. Love an L back reveal, so I do. You know, it's nice to be sexy.
I think it is. It's really nice.
And then Ash told me to buy this.
I just thought it looked nice. I like the colour.
I like this colour.
You did get a lot of blue today.
Yeah, I did, but I do love a bit of blue. This was only $3.95, people.
Like,
so that really was good. And then that black top was only 19, so that was good as well.
How much are the shorts? Actually,
they were only 19. Everything's 19.
Hi, thank you.
Oh, yeah, but my t-shirt was cheaper.
Here, that's a very small McFlurry thing.
Okay, yeah, no, because they took the lids off them because they were plastic.
Thank you so much. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. What else did you get?
Bershka.
Hang on now. Trying to get out of the centre here and not cause a car accident.
So if anyone doesn't use this, I love me a bit of Femme Fresh.
Do you know what? I could have you in the car while I drive and you could just talk because it's great.
So this is a 2-in-1 shower and shave, ladies. Shower and shave. Shaving your downstairs, it's nice and sensitive.
But I have heard, now I said this to you earlier, that you could not to use those things. Like, are people, like, obviously that's just for shaving.
I don't know, this is
are people putting it inside them?
Well, I wouldn't really put it in my vagina.
No, I wouldn't either, but like I have heard like it wrecks your pH balance.
Well, I feel like I have a good pH balance now. I've been using this for a few years.
I do the litmus test every day.
As someone who used to suffer with really bad throat, so obviously I didn't have a good pH then. I find this great now. I use this to shave and wash all the time. I would have a very sensitive skin. Find this is much better because it says it's pH balanced and it's hypoallergenic and it's a moisturizing wash. So it feels like smooth and soft on the skin. It's easy to shave with. And this
do you work for Femme Fresh?
I fucking could work for that. Moving on to my other two purchases.
Oh,
so
God,
wait till you see this tie-dye jumper.
Hang on, I'm gonna put the window up because I reckon. Oh, we're in lights again.
I didn't even read this before. It says Los Angeles lovers. Okay, I didn't even know it said that. But loving this type
it's a really nice
jumper,
colour,
you know. And yeah, if you see closely, it's that lovely kind of washy lilac, you know. And
washy lilac.
It is.
I love
the colour.
That is a good colour. I like that. The description of that.
I love a bit of khaki. I can think khaki is really nice on blondes. I know you probably my hair is actually blonde. You can't really notice right now because the top is dark. But I love a bit of khaki on a blonde, and if you wear khaki, it will bring out the green in your eyes. So there's a bit of colour theory for you, Ash. So I bought this t-shirt dress. Now I'm not obviously going to be able to show you the whole thing in the driving vehicle.
Thought, well, you said that you thought it would look really nice with a belt, and I totally agree.
I'm thinking
and
like
boots.
A belt, boots. Then even in the winter you could do like a tie and a boot. But yeah, summer you could even just do like a little runner. Be cute. But it says, I am passionate, I am creative, I love what I do, and that's why I bought it, because that's literally like my fucking life motto. So yeah, and also very good price point, $9.99.
That is actually very good for that.
It feels like a very good quality cotton as well. It's nice and thick and heavy. So I'm very impressed with Bershka.
Me too.
Dress there today. And then I suppose I'll just show you the bra. So we just got this to check the size, because obviously I don't know what size I am. Well, I was going by Ash's new measurements of my boobies.
Oh God, I hope I did. Well, I think I measured you right.
So we just went with a full cup t-shirt bra, you know, just to see if the size was right. So it's nice. It's kind of like a swimming suit kind of material, like, isn't it?
Like lycra?
Yeah, like feel that.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, and then they've got a like, if anyone's looking out the window of the car, I'm like, look at my bra.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm actually in the traffic lights. Well, I'm in traffic lights now. There's not a bra in my face.
So I hope this will fit. I'll let you guys know. But that was also a steal at €8 in Dunnes stores, ladies. And I've never
really good.
Never bought a bra in Dunnes before.
Hopefully it fits now.
But I'm sure she'll be in my wardrobe then telling me to wear this with that and that.
Yeah, we'll do that. Fashion coordinator. It's like a missed calling in life. We're right at her house right now. We're gonna have our wraps and our.
I just got some fries. I'm a vegetarian now, peeps. saving the animals, you know.
Yeah.
So I just got myself some, you know, some fries, got a large fries in it, a strawberry milkshake. I like to dip.
Oh, do
I'm a
you?
dipper, yeah.
That's odd.
Yeah.
But no judgment.
Yeah, it's good, you should do it, I'm telling you.
I should try that.
Just dips in your flurry.
Oh, okay. I'll think about that. Right, well, I'll catch up with you guys later. I'll let you know the DL and everything. If you want to follow Jenna, I'll leave all her handles in the description below. And what we might do is we might do like a best friend tag or something like that, maybe. I think that's
Tag your bestie.
If you want to see like a best friend tag or something, let us know. We'll definitely do that for you. But I'll talk to you later. Bye.
It's an accident.
Yeah, we got the wrong
We got an
food. I have no wrap. No. Chicken selects. What's in there? Chicken. Well, at least there's chicken nuggets. I can eat them. The Big Mac.
Chippies.
Oh, raging.
Sad face.
Hey guys, I'm back. Minus Jenna. I'm just leaving her house now. It's such a lovely day together. So I was like kind of like working from my phone in her house, which is grand. And then we decided we'd go into Blanche around 6 o'clock. Pretty late, but it's a Thursday, so it's late night shopping. And we did all the little bits of shopping. You saw all the things that Jenna got. And then obviously we went to McDonald's through the drive-thru, and I was so excited for my wrap. As you guys know, that didn't happen. I am so annoyed. So I ended up getting the chicken selects, chicken nuggets, and a Big Mac and 2 portions of chips. One was for Jenna anyway, but I only ordered a wrap, that was it. So all that other stuff was, no, like it wasn't what we wanted. So I just don't think the universe wants me to have a McDonald's wrap, and I wasn't eating the Big Mac, so I gave it to Jenna's boyfriend Will, and I just had a few of the chicken selects. I was kind of raging, but sure, look, just not meant to be. I'm driving over to Paddy's now. We're gonna watch a movie. I got some Krispy Kreme because he's been craving them for like I don't know how long, and just because I was over in the centre there, he was like, will you pick up some Krispy Kreme? I've been craving them for like 2 weeks straight. So I was like, yeah, sure. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button, it really helps me out, and leave any requests down below of any videos you want to see coming up, because I'm going to try and do a mix of beauty videos, vlogs and whatever. Yeah, I need to get editing all those other videos that I'm a bit behind on. It's just trying to find the time. I keep saying it, but like I just feel like I have to kind of keep reminding people who might just be tuning in, because I have gotten a couple of comments just been like, where's your beauty videos and what's going on? It's just time restraints. I need to manage my time a bit better. Anyway guys, I love you so much, and I will talk to you in my next vlog. Mwah! Bye guys. Don't want to kiss my hand because there's sanitizer on it, and that's not cute. Anyway, talk to you soon.